When the 2020 Toyota Supra goes on sale this summer, it will mark the first time the legendary sports car has been in US showrooms since the 1998 model year. Its return continues the resurgence of Japanese performance cars like the Acura NSX, Honda Civic Type R, Nissan 370Z, Nissan GT-R, and Subaru BRZ. And after officially debuting earlier this year at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show, we've finally gotten to drive the new Supra on road and track. A new Supra was a long time coming, with no shortage of rumors regarding a new car coming throughout the years. The FT1 concept that Toyota uncovered a few years back served as a fantastic foundation to what the next generation car would ultimately become. At the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, the Japanese car maker rolled out the Supra racing concept that confirmed the legendary nameplate's return.
All black, MZ.